Hi guys, today I'm going to make a Valentine's Day card. And February 14th is Valentine's Day. And I'm going to make a Valentine's card for my mom and dad. Let's go and how to make a Valentine's card. First, you need a piece of sparkly paper like this. See, it's sparkly. Next, you're opening. Get some paper. Oh. So next, you get some glue like this one. Okay. I'm going to stick this card on the middle. Okay. So I'm just going to get this glue. Okay. Get started. Whoa. Okay, so starting going on the heart. Now we're going to use the brush and open this guy. Gonna get this big one. Now let's just do this. Wow, so spread. Doing the glue. Now let's stick it on the middle. I stick this. Now it's dry. Let's just put it in the side. Now I have the three colors. This is red, dark red, purple, my favorite color, and green. So let's get started writing. Now I'm going to write I love you. Then I'm going to put a heart. Mom and dad. So let's get started. So I in the middle, starting line, going cross and cross. Great. Now I'm going to put the heart. So this is my heart. I'm going to get the glue, pink glue, my favorite one. Let's get a little bit glue. That's enough. And then that looks good. Now let's get the heart, stick it, and it says I love. It says love. Stick it. Wow! It's I love. Now I'm going to say mom and dad. Okay. So let's put it. Now I'm going to put mom. Okay. And down. Up and down. I'm going to put an O. I put another M. Up and down. Now let's pick and dad. So let's put the dad now. D. A. And D. Can we have dad? Now I'm done writing. I love mom and dad. Do you see? Now I have nothing here, so I'm going to kiss for my daddy and for my mom. Look, looks beautiful. I'm going to do two hearts. One for my dad. This is for my dad. I'm going to other one for my mom. Mwah. So cute! Let's get a little closer. I'm going to stick this paper on the sparkly paper. Now I put the glue on. Next, now I'm going to put this on. Now I stick it You like it? Hold it. Looks like a card from my dad and mom. This is Happy Valentine's Day. This is what we got in mind, Dad. You're going to be so surprised. Now let's open it. You like my card? I'll show you. See? It's pretty. Let's get a little. Whoa, close. You like it? This is for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to keep it here for wait for Valentine's Day. And I have a balloon. If you like my Valentine's Day card, hit the subscribe button and keep watching Ashmi